Hey everyone, and welcome back to another vlog. Sorry my voice has been a bit weird. I think it's because I woke up about half an hour ago and I haven't really spoke, so my voice is like really croaky. I went to the toilet when I woke up and it is flooded in my wet room. I'll show you in a second. I had a shower yesterday at about 12 o'clock in the afternoon and it's currently 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. It's so deep. Like, I don't really want to show you because it's like grim. It's probably like that much deep, like with water. So my socks got absolutely soaked after I'd just put them on because my feet were freezing, which is great. So I'm just about to ring the accommodation office in hope that someone from maintenance can come and unblock my drain. I know it's such a shit job. I feel so bad for them. Really embarrassed about it, but I need to ring it because I can't leave it like that for ages. But it's probably like hair, because obviously I have quite a lot of hair and stuff and it probably blocked the drain. I feel so bad, but other people in my flat have done it before and it's been fine, so I need to just get over myself. And I'm just about to ring them, so I thought I'd pop you on the side.
Good morning, accommodation.
Hello, I was just ringing because in my wet room in Lincoln Courts, my shower drain is blocked and it's been blocked for about 24 hours, so I thought I'd call up and see if anyone could fix it, if possible.
Whereabouts are you, please? Okay, I'll get that logged on the system and get somebody to have a look at it for you.
Thank you very much.
No problem, thank you.
Thank you. Who's probably like, is that a man or a woman? Because my voice is so croaky. I'm going to sort this out and I won't talk anymore because I know it's probably really annoying. Right, so I've finally woken up a little bit more and I've actually got a voice. I'm just in the middle of writing a blog post, but I am just about to book something exciting for tomorrow if there are any spaces left. I'm going to give you guys a clue and you guys can guess in the comments, because by the time you're watching this it might have happened, hopefully, if they get back to me. But I might, tomorrow I'm either getting a tattoo or a piercing, so you guys can guess in the comment what I'm getting, whether you think it's a tattoo or if you think I'm getting a piercing and where the piercing is. Yeah, I just thought it'd be fun if you guys guessed. I was on the FaceTime to my brother and mum yesterday and they were both like guessing away. Mum thinks I'm getting a tattoo and my brother thinks I'm getting a piercing, I think. I don't know, I can't remember their guesses, but they were both like really nervous, like, what? So I'm looking forward to hearing back from the place in Lincoln. I'll get Megan and Hattie to come with me tomorrow because they both don't have any lectures, and I'll get one of them to film it so you can see how it goes down. I'm excited though, but I'm so nervous. Oh my god. Fingers crossed they get back to me and if I get it done tomorrow, I think I'll be less nervous, but if it's like prolonged over a period of time, then I think I'll start to get worked up about it and might even cancel it. So I'm hoping they just say yes. So Hattie's just brought me back my Graze Box. I have my second Graze Box. I'm going to leave my code down below. You can go get your first, 5th and 10th Graze Box for free. You can cancel any time, so if you just want the free box and then sack it off, you can just do that as well. So the things that I got in this week's Graze Box are protein flapjack, honeycomb flapjack, lemon and poppy slice, which is my favourite type of cake ever. Lemon and poppy seeds are my favourite ever, alongside banana cake. And I love the Graze Box flapjacks. They're amazing. Honeycomb sounds insane, like, oh my god, I'm so excited. And I love the Jaffa cake one that I had in my last box. And then the savoury treat, that one, you like can sort out your preferences and which things you like and dislike on the website if you didn't know. So if you like really hate raisins like myself, I disliked everything with raisins, so I'll never ever get them in my box. Or you can, if you're like desperate for a certain thing. So I really wanted the honeycomb flapjack. Then I said prioritize this, which means it usually just comes in your next box. And then I've got one savoury treat, which is this Thai sweet chilli dippers, and I'm so excited for this. This is such a good snack. So buzzing with this. I always usually get 3 sweet and 1 savoury because that's my sort of thing. I've got like a really bad sweet tooth. To make some dinner though, because I have a lab session in 45 minutes, so I need to make something to eat because I haven't eaten all morning, which is really bad. So I've come back from my 3-hour lab session. However, me and Neve finished a little bit earlier and we managed to get everything done, so we came back about 45 minutes before it's supposed to finish. So I feeling very happy that we've come back because I have so much to do today on my to-do list. So this morning I've written a blog post. I've been reading my chapter in my forensic science book for next week in preparation, and I had my lab session. Now I've got to film 2 videos, read some of this book because I've got my blog review going up on it on Saturday, along with another one that I've already read and writing the review for. I've also got to do a seminar sheet for tomorrow. I have a math seminar tomorrow and it's like a workshop, so you have to like participate and say the answers and stuff. So that's what I've got tomorrow. So I need to go over all that stuff and get it done. And then I'm meeting Hattie and Megan at 6 o'clock outside their lecture theatre, and we're going straight to the Tower Bar quiz. We've never been to the Tower Bar quiz before. It's the Tower Bar is in the Students' Union, which is like the other side of the university, a little bit further away from us. So we're going to try that out. It's £1 instead of 50p, so it's a bit more expensive, but there are like cash prizes and something a little bit more than just like drink, or because it's one you win like either drink or what was other stuff. Like I think people have won vouchers or something before, but I think they're like bigger prize at the Tower Bar, so I'm really excited. They did a Disney themed one last week when I was away in London, which is so sad because we would have won. I think it's just a general knowledge one, so I'm pretty excited for that. I feel like I've got stuff to update you on. Aiden's just messaged me saying keep the 3rd of July free, so I'm really intrigued to see what that's about. He said it's my Valentine's Day gift, so I'm guessing we're doing something on that day. Like, I don't really know what else to think. That's like 2 days before our 5 years together, so I'm really excited to find out what that is, but I'm guessing he won't tell me until I go to his next Friday I'm going for his birthday and for Valentine's Day weekend. If you have any questions for me, I'm doing a university Q&A this weekend, and here is the hashtags you can use on Twitter so I can see all of the questions in one. I've screenshotted so many that people have Instagram DM'd me or Snapchatted me. You can do it that way either, but it will be so much easier for me on Twitter if you put this hashtag and your university questions, because I'm going to answer them all this weekend, no matter how personal, whether they're completely to do with me at uni or just general life at uni. I've had people ask about accommodation, student loan, how much I get, and I'm willing to answer pretty much anything about university. Like, I can't see anything that I wouldn't answer, so honestly, just put this hashtag on Twitter and ask me, and I'll be sure to answer it this weekend. I think I'm filming it on Sunday just to get maximum time for you guys to see it, and I'll probably upload it Sunday as well, on my main channel, by the way, so more people can see it as much as possible. But yeah, I'm really excited. So many university videos coming. I cannot wait to share them. I have this huge list in my my YouTube notepad of so many uni videos I want to film, so if you do have any more ideas that I haven't already written down, then again comment them below. I've got my university outfits of the week going up this Saturday, so look forward to seeing that. And then I think I'm going to have another video on Sunday. On Monday I'm going to just keep whacking out as many videos. Fuck the schedule, I just want to create more content and get it out there, because I hate waiting around for an upload day. I'm like, because I love like chatting to people in the comments and just see if people like my videos. I don't know, I just want to get as many videos up as possible. But yeah, I think I need to tidy my room first. Let's go. Realised that I didn't really explain the practical me and Neve just did. We extracted DNA from E. coli, and we had to like find out the purity of DNA, and we had to do lots and lots of lots of transfers of solutions. It was pretty easy, but it was just a bit tedious, if you know what I mean. And it was for our genetics module. We thought we'd done it wrong at one point, like explain it. So when we went to go measure our DNA on the, I think it's like the nano, it was the nano something 2000, it sounded like a broom make from Harry Potter anyway. The guy measured it for us and he was like, amazing, it's so pure. It was like 194.4 nanograms per microliter, if that means anything to anyone. But yeah, me and Neve were so happy. We were like, oh my god, we did it all right, and we got like one of the best results. So which means that our practical next week is going to go well, because we had to incorporate the DNA that we'd extracted this week for next week's practical. So that put me in a really good mood, because I was like dreading it today, because I don't really enjoy genetics that much, and I was just like, oh, because it's all like, it's sort of like more chemistry, the labs are more like chemistry based. Tomorrow I only have one seminar, so I'm going to be vlogging tomorrow as well. I would vlog in the lab, but it's so dangerous, they would literally kill me. Like, it's just really dangerous to have your phone out, because if anything gets spilt on it, like, you can bring it home and you can become really ill depending on what the solutions are involved. So yeah, that's why I can't really film anything in the lab, and I don't think I ever will be, which is so annoying. I have done like tiny snippets of when I did my like the one on the bones. Oh, Sophie messaged me today as well. My best friend Sophie, who lives back in Northamptonshire, she's messaged me about going to sort out bridesmaids dresses, which is super exciting. If I haven't mentioned, or you didn't see some of my vlogs in December, on the last day of 2017 Sophie asked me to be one of her bridesmaids for our wedding, and I'm so excited because she's one of my best friends, and I'm going to be her bridesmaid next year, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure it's next May. Correct me if I'm wrong, Soph. But yeah, that's so exciting. I'm going to be vlogging her wedding, obviously, which I can't wait for. It's going to be so funny vlogging a wedding, because I've only done... I think I vlogged a mini bit when me and Aidan went to a wedding last year in Ireland, which was insane. It was in such an incredible building. I can't wait for another wedding, because weddings are my favourite things ever to go to. I love like meeting new people, because you meet like different parts of either your family that you didn't even know, or other people's family. Like I love meeting all Aidan's Irish family, because I don't get to see them that much. Just had a really good evening. I love seeing how everyone does weddings differently. It's one of my favourite things. I always like plan mine, even though I'm not getting married for ages, obviously. I always like plan or write down little things that people do at weddings that I really, really like and would like to do at mine. Some of the things that stood out last year when I went to the wedding, they had little hangover cure kits in the toilets, and they were so cute. And the bride also thought to buy flip-flops, like really nice pairs of flip-flops. They were literally like £12 each, tons of them in baskets in the women's changing room in case people got sick of their heels during the evening, which I thought was such a nice idea. It's just thinking of everyone, and I don't know, it's really cute. I love weddings. I've just replied to my emails. That was one thing off my to-do list that I've just checked off, so just about to do that. I've been planning the rest of my week, my weekend and everything. Star off my emails, because that was one of my major things that I needed to do and catch up on. I'm going to do my seminar sheet, which I can't be arsed. So I thought I would do a little study with me, as I am midway through my seminar sheet. I'm currently doing a seminar sheet for tomorrow's lecture for analytical chemistry. I have both my PowerPoint from my recent lecture about this stuff on the left side of the screen, and then on the right side of the screen I have my workshop, like the actual questions that I need to be doing for tomorrow. I have left it a little bit late, but I have been busy with lots of other deadlines to do with my blog and stuff that I've been sorting, so it's fine. I'll get it done tonight at some point. We're going out for the quiz, I think, but I'm going to get it done tonight at some point. So I've just done some concentration questions. It's kind of like the basic chemistry questions, so just kind of like recapping it, because we did do some of this last semester, but I've just done some concentration stuff, so to sort of aid knowledge on conversions, like how you can convert from like centimeters cubed to decimeters cubed, or milligrams to grams and stuff. It's kind of like sort of helping us with conversions, as well as like calculating concentration, volume, and stuff like that. It's like sort of the most simplest chemistry. It's just fine. It's just like long. I've just got a lot of questions to do, as you can see. So I'm a little bit like because I left it a little bit late, but it'll be fine because it's not too strenuous on the mind. But I'm gonna do more of these. I'm gonna do these a bit more often, but maybe not the math side of things, as it's not very like, I can't really explain it. I don't want to sit here and be like, so you do this by this, because I'm not giving you a lesson, do you know what I mean? Whereas some of my other content might be interesting to do with anatomy and stuff, and that interests me more. So just thought I'd share with you a little bit of what I've been doing over the past hour. Well, not hour. This took me like 10 minutes.
Can we watch all the vlogs?
Yeah, I've just watched. Yeah, I've just watched both. Oh my god! Sorry. We definitely shouldn't have walked this way, but okay.
Why?
The other way would have been quicker.
So I slept through my 9 a.m. Woke up at, it was 12 minutes past. It was 12 minutes past 9, and I was like, oh no.
That's literally me last week.
Yeah, like when I woke up.
It was literally. No, wait. What time did you wake up?
12 minutes past.
That's the same time I woke up. When I was like, shit, I've missed.
But I literally was like, I woke up and I was
Sisters.
I was like, oh my god, I woke up naturally, nothing woke me up. I was so refreshed, and I was like, surely it's not 7 a.m. Oh fuck.
It's 9.
It's 12 minutes past 9, and I had text me saying something like, oh, I feel like shit, and then we'll meet inside for you, get a seat, and then she put, oh god, are you asleep?
Oh god. Yeah, Megan. No, Hat texted me like, I think Megan slept. Right, so we're on the way to the Tau Bar for. It's just a general knowledge quiz, I'm pretty sure.
Some bleed out.
Yeah, hopefully.
I think it's like 12
Oh, it smells of garlic bread.
That's what I was just thinking. I want G bread.
Oh, yeah, we're going to try out a new quiz and hopefully it's fun. I just had to gather £1 in like 5 minutes. So that's uni life. Yay!
What the fuck? So who's going to pay for that then?
What?
Who's going to take all the change and be like,
Not me. Golden shotgun.
it's
I've
your
golden
fucking money.
shotgun.
I'm not
It's you, Megan.
Why is it me? I'm not even your
Because you
money.
woke up the latest today. How is it? How is it going to be? So we just got to the Tower Bar and we've ordered food. Typical. Hatman's got pita and hummus, and me and Megan have the exact same, apart from I have curly fries. Are we just about to start the quiz? It actually looks really good though, doesn't it, compared to like this one? I know it's like whatever. I'm excited. So it looks so long. Like I love quizzes. You're the only one I let in. Tell me how to stop this feeling spreading. We're doing well. We should have never broke up. They're telling me I'm No, we need to show our creative drawing.
Oh, fudge cake.
Oh. Oh no. Oh no. That was really bad. I just realised how bad it is. So we've just come back from the pub quiz. It was actually really nice. I just whacked myself with my bag around my head. I literally just walked back in the door. We had a really good time. It was very different to the one that we go to at the Swan. It's had so many different rounds, and yeah, it was just like a good night. We had food out as well because we hadn't eaten all day. Which is quite bad. I think I'm gonna have pineapple though because I really want like a sweet thing. Like, I'm such a dessert person, it's ridiculous. And I'm gonna make a cup of tea in a bit as well. I didn't get everything that I wanted to do today, which is annoying. I'm gonna do maths for the rest of the evening because it's like, it's not too late. I think it's about 10 o'clock. Yeah, 10 o'clock, and I won't sleep for ages anyway, and I'll just be sitting in bed like doing nothing. So I'm gonna do my maths seminar sheet. Tomorrow I am going to an anxiety workshop, so when you're watching this I'll have been, and I'm going to be doing a whole video on my vlog channel just like as part of my vlog about my experience there and if it's helped me, because I know a lot of people worry about the facilities at universities and if you're going through any mental health issues or if you have like really bad anxiety or stress, just to like share that universities actually have these facilities, especially Lincoln. They have so many different classes and workshops to go to help you with all these sort of things. And I know it's you may be anxious in itself to go to the workshops, but I feel like I'm going to give it a go because I'm feeling like I felt really bad this evening, like with my anxiety. But yeah, I like pushed. I don't know. It's getting better, but I just kind of want some sort of help and advice about it. So that's why I'm going tomorrow, and I will tell you guys about it tomorrow if you're interested. Thank you very much for watching this vlog. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you very soon for another vlog. I think I'm vlogging tomorrow. Oh yeah, because I'm getting something exciting done. So comment down below what you think I'm getting done, and I will see you for a vlog on Saturday. Bye.